Welcome, my fellow YouTubers and gamers, to the Guy's Game Vids. I'm your host, The Guy, and today I'm going to be showing you the Archstone of the Digger King and the Tunnel City. Now, in my other videos, and in fact, pretty much every time, I've been in soul form, as you can see. And it's because I want to get my world tendencies to pure white like I have there on the Archstone of the Shadowmen. I defeated the Armored Spider. I'm sorry I didn't show that in my Armored Spider fight. Oh wow, that guy just nailed me, huh? But the... I'll come back and get him another time. But yeah, there's a crystal lizard that you saw scurrying away I was trying to get. Anyway, about the Armored Spider. So the Armored Spider soul is called the Hard Demon Soul. And it gives you the... I think it's called the Lava Bow. And also the spell called Fire Spray. Now I chose the spell Fire Spray because I'm a magic user. And Fire Spray is like, I think the only spell where you can actually cast it and walk around at the same exact time, which is really handy. It's really weak though. But again, it's really nice that you can actually walk around and continuously shoot fireballs, even if they aren't that strong. Alright, so there's two different paths to take down to the Flame Lurker boss, because that's where we're going to be going, is the Flame Lurker. Right now, let's see. Because this is my first playthrough for this game, I don't know which direction to go. I think it actually can loop all the way back up to here in this area. Anyway, first thing to note is obviously those exploding carts. If you just run by them, you're fine. Just make sure to be running. There's a fat official right here. I believe he gives one of the clothing sets. Clothing pieces, I mean. You jerk. So ugly. Yes, okay, so now I got the clothes. So the last piece now I need to collect is the official's hat. And you need the full set of the official's clothing. So the boots and hat and gloves, and of course this, before you can free Yuria the Witch. And again, because I'm a magic user, I really want Yuria the Witch. Actually, I think there's three. Well, I don't know if there's three different directions. I think this just goes to a dead end, I believe. But you know what? No, it doesn't actually. I think you can drop below over here. So there's three different paths to take. Come on, you can't get through this? There we go. Hello. And if I didn't mention it earlier, I'll mention it again. These miners, they're really high physical defense for the beginning of the game. Ooh, and then these guys. Anyway, the miners got high physical defense, so you want to use a magic-based weapon if you want to deal high damage. Huh. Come on, I know you're around here. No? And there's usually more than one worm. Ah, there he is. You just wait until I grab the item, weren't ya? Oh, how nice. So it looks like here, if I just fall down, I'll... yeah, I don't even want to try that. I'm almost positive I die. Oh, here we go, crystal lizard here. Yeah, here in the Stonefang tunnel in this area, There's a lot of, yeah, I can't go that way either. That's too far down. But there's a lot of ore you can collect. Okay, yeah, you can fall down here though. There's like a couple ledges I can jump off of and hop on down to. So if I went let's see. So in the beginning, by the archstone, if I took a right and continue in the path where all those miners were, that's actually a shorter way to get to the boss. You just gotta drop off like, I don't know, 8 different ledges, I think it is. So right now I'm not sure what to do. I'm not 100% familiar. This is my 3rd time. Well, actually, no, this is my 2nd time playing through this entire level, and 3rd time because I got it to New Game Plus Plus on my other character. But I didn't actually play through this level. I'm sorry if I'm a little hazy. By all means, you guys, fast forward to whatever part you want to get to. I know it can get annoying. I'm just doing this to help my fellow gamers. Well, hopefully, too, to get sponsors later, too, right? Again, I hope. Alright, so there's 2 phantoms down here. Oh, here they come. Let's see, I'll use this. Boost my defense. I can hit both at once. Ooh. Jerk. Yeah, there we go. Well, at least I got both of them with one. I just keep shooting and shooting, because I am not a melee fighter. Let's see what they give here. Dragonstone chunk and a stone ephemeral eyes. Another stone ephemeral eyes, a clear stone chunk. Okay, so now all the way down here are a bunch of crystal lizards. I mean, for purposes of this video, I kind of want to skip it and just come back and do it on my own time. Because I know that it takes time. So what I do is I cloak. Just my strategy. I come in here, nail this guy. I didn't need to do that last shot or whatever. And I'll just take a peek real quick. You can see them real quick. Because I don't want them disappearing on me. But yeah, that's the crystal lizard smorgasbord, I guess. Actually, you know, I think after I get to the flame lurker, I don't know if I can actually come back up. Oh, never mind. But anyway, so yeah, there's that direction, and now we can go this direction, where the maze is. Yay, mazes. Obviously, don't go that way at all. Huge pit. Explosive guys. Little sprites, I guess you can call them. Did I go by it already? There's a little path off to the side here. Oh, here we go. Hey, dude. Ooh, it got me. Look how much life it took. I haven't put any points into vitality. So again, show you guys my stats. Level 50. I've been putting all my points into intelligence and magic. And a little bit into faith. I'm trying to get 2 faith slots. Alright, let's see here. Again, I try to show you guys everything, like 100%, but I may miss a few things. Ooh. What a jerk. Surprised he didn't die after 2 hits. Most guys die after 2 hits. Anyway, let's equip this. And we'll save those for the boss. So yeah, great level to be farming shards. Like I said, those crystal lizards in that one area, great place to go. Surprisingly, that's another thing about this Demon Souls game versus the other Souls games. So in all the other Souls games, when you kill a crystal lizard, I'm almost positive they never respawn. Once you kill it, it's gone, right? You collect its shard or whatever, but it never comes back. But on this game, interestingly enough, they actually respawn. It's really funny. Alright, so we got a lot of these guys. I'm just going to unload magic on them. They move incredibly slow. But then, of course, there's the its winged brethren. That I'll show you. I believe they're down. Yeah, down a ways. This is a bigger one. You notice it takes quite a bit more damage, and they explode as well. So yeah, be extra careful with these guys. So yeah, I believe it's right above here, or somewhere around here, that I can drop down to from that other area. I'm using lots and lots of magic. Great axe. Okay, so that's it for this little area. You see Patches the hyena over here waving, "Hey, come on. Hey, buddy." Yeah. Never is that guy a friend. Oh my goodness. Forgot about that one. So let's see here if I try attacking melee. Okay. Okay, I thought they'd hurt you if you touched them, but I guess not. Good. Watch. In fact, let's go talk to him real quick. See what he says.
Oh, hello again. Hey, don't turn a cold shoulder. I didn't mean to do you wrong. Really? Well, I have an idea.
Because he's seen me at the
That treasure over there should
Shrine of Storms.
but I'll let you have it. I promise, no tricks. I won't move a muscle until the treasure's safely in your hands. Well, you can trust me, can't you? I'm just trying to do right and make amends here. Hmm?
I don't think so, buddy. If history is a proof of anything, Patches is never... I mean, he's a great merchant, though. He sells some good items. But, yeah, he's not... He's not really your friend. Opportunist, yes. But friend, no. Alright, here we go. Let's go away. And watch it blow up on Patches. Oh, poor baby. Because I didn't do the damage, he doesn't get aggroed. Huh. There's something right over here. Let's collect this treasure over by Patches real quick. Alright, let's see what he says.
You? You're no joke, are you?
Look at us. He's all covered in. He's all burnt. Sucker. Alright, so. Yeah, I can't go down that way. Okay. So we'll just get rid of this stuff. Over here. Oh, okay, yeah. Item. Yeah, right here. Oh, he's running. The dang lizard's running. Hey! I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm not 100% top of things. Oh, it's this guy again.
Remember me? I've got plenty of wares, so bring me plenty of souls.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Whoa, he's got a lot more this time. Huh. You know, this whole time I was having the hardest time getting these particular shards on my other playthroughs, and now I know where to get them. Well, hey, discoveries for both of us.
Alright then, come back.
I come back when I got the souls, dude. Ooh. I was telling you about the flying brethren. There's one of them. Oh, wait, they're all coming. They're coming to hang out. Interesting. You guys really want this? Are you sure? Okay. Uh-huh. Yep, don't go down there. Should be more of those worms, I believe. Yeah, here we go. So they just regurgitate lava. So just, you know, kill them real quickly and no big deal. Oh, the poor babies. And then, oh look, it did follow me. Surprise. You surprised me, little one. Wow, that one actually was on the ground and took flight. I've never seen them take off from the ground like that. Huh. Alright, let's see here. No items. Okay. I think that fog gate is the way I'm supposed to go. Like, ultimately. But I could have swore... Oh. I swore there was another way. Not to go to the boss. I do have to go through there, or I go all the way back up. And there is a different route, but... Oh, look at you. You're just stuck by the fence. Hey! Wow, you're mean. Okay. Oh, there's an item right above the merchant. Let's grab that real quick. Hey, jerk. What's your deal, man? I don't think so. I mean, I don't think I've ever been hit by one of those until now. is surprised it spun its body like that. Okay. How do we get over here? Oh, okay, drop right there. Running out of magic. Dragonstone shard. Bear bug grains. And where's the merchant? Yeah. Hero soul. There we go. Shade heater shield. Again, I'm sorry guys, I don't know anything about that shield. Does he have magic? Does he have any spice? You don't have spice? Yeah, you suck, man. You don't even have good healing items. But he does sell, like I said, those shards for upgrading your weapons. Let's see here. There's patches again. And here's the... That's the tunnel I started in, right? Ah, the heck with it. I'm gonna continue on. Not that way, of course. Oh, that's right. I wanted to go up and then drop down to the ledge and show you. You know, I'll. Dang it. I don't want you guys to take I don't want it to take forever for you guys, you know? But again, you guys can fast forward, so I guess I shouldn't care, right? Alright, so there's this path. Now in this world, when you have pure white world tendency, there's Skeever the Wanderer who shows up. And that's what I meant by there's multiple ways. There's the other. If you take the other short way, you'll actually run into Skeever when you have pure white world tendency. Now, you know what? I'm gonna try this. I don't want to get stuck though, because that's how he'll kill me. So if I get stuck. Anyway, Skeever the Wanderer, I can't remember the item he gives you, but what he wants is to see the sword called the Dragon Bone Smasher. Now the Dragon Bone Smasher is located right next to the Dragon God boss fight. Like as soon as you start the fight, you just take a left, as soon as you walk through his path. And I'll show you guys the location of it, and then I'll even show you a video later where it actually is and how to grab it and all that. But yep, he's one of the NPCs that only shows up when you have pure white world tendency. Now this is where I always get lost. Like, no joke. Oh, it's slowly coming towards me. Huh? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Oh, poor bug. So, yeah, splits into 3 routes here. But if I just continue on this way and go this way, I don't remember, but I think it's a dead end here. No, see, it's not. And that's what throws me off, is you think, oh yeah, just go one way, right? No, there's multiple paths, but there is only one actual way to leave this area. Okay, so now I'm confused. This is where it gets confusing for me. Okay, so let's see. Loop around here. Get to this portion. You obviously have to fall. Oh man, it got me. Okay. So let's see. When I first got here, I came here. I fought the bear bug here. And there's this way. Oh, a crystal lizard. No! Got him. I was like, he's gonna disappear! Hey! What a jerk, man. Forget it. Forget it. Okay. Come back. Obviously grab the Stone of Ephemeral Eyes. Awesome. Ooh, large hardstone shards. So yeah, I came from over here, right? Yeah, where the body is. So let's see here. I don't think there's anything over here except a bunch of lava and some jerks. Ooh, there's a body. Hey! Oh no, I'm stuck! I don't think there's anything else. And if there is, I really don't know. Because I've killed those guys before, and then their items just drop in the lava. So I'm like, I don't want to go get them. Okay, so basically I can't go those 2 ways. There is another path from where I came. This is it. This is the boss. So up above me, again at the beginning of the archstone, you can actually go down this way instead of the way I went. And it leads to the same little area, this area down here. Alright, well real quick, I'm going to go back. Do some backtracking, I know, that's so lame. And then, yeah, you know, find the items, right? You guys want to see me get the items, right? Sort of, kind of, whatever. Yeah? Alright, so down here by the body. Just go back this way. And... is it this way? Because this is the way I came from. I know that. So... and then, yeah, you come up to this ledge and you can't get to the body. And I was going right, so I'll try left now. Also, there's, yeah, 2 pathways here. The Dragon Longsword. Ooh, I'm wondering if I even ever found that item. And then this way, right? Yeah, this way. Hey! Okay. So again, I'm not 100%, you know, completionist. And so, yeah, I actually don't know. I don't know how to get that body. That item. I'm sorry, guys. I'll have to look it up. I'm wondering if it must be some special item then, given that it's in a, you know, funny area. So yeah, it came from this way, right? If I had to guess, it has something to do with walking in that lava. And maybe that lava doesn't just insta-kill me. Okay, so yeah, go down by the body. Or I can go backwards and I can drop down the ledge. So I think I'll do that. I mean, I do want to show you guys as much as possible to save you the trouble. So you can just fast forward to that point. So I'm sorry, I know it's all backtracking, you know, mind-numbing, boring. I believe it was down this way. Okay, yeah. And then I'll have to go all the way back up. So again, there's the merchant, sorry. And I feel like there might be another entrance up here. I mean, I could have sworn there was another... yeah, see, I forgot this item. Okay, is there another gate here? No? Huh. Mm-hmm. Okay. Another body. Whoops. Meant to drop down right here. Okay. Well, here we go. Going back up. I know, it's so boring. Oh man, you're taking forever. And then right here. It's okay, I'm not actually going to come back this way again. Well, technically there is... Hold on. We'll go back up, and then I'll go down that ledge first, real quick. That shouldn't take as long. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second, of course. What is it? It's not that way, right? It's this way. Yeah, over here where that one pickaxe guy got me. And then, yeah, it's right... Is it right here? Yeah, it's right here. Just drop down here. And then you come down here. Yeah, here. And then I think there's one more. Ooh, I got too much stuff. That's okay. Again, in this remake, it's way more forgiving about item burden. It's almost like, why even worry about it? Okay, so I can't go... Well, I guess I could go that way. But I think technically I'm supposed to go this way. And now we're back down. So that's it. Just a couple items there. I wanted to show you guys. And then... What was it? Left? Yeah, left. Then we'll hit a wall. And turn right. Now the Flame Lurker, I actually read, I think it was IGN or Watch Mojo, I don't know which channel now, but one of those two. They rated, it was a couple years ago, like 2018, so before this game was even, I don't even think it was announced yet, but they rated the top 10 most difficult bosses. And it might have been the top 10 most difficult Dark Souls bosses, or just the top 10 most difficult game bosses in the last, like, you know, few years, or however long it was. So don't quote me on it. Anyway, they rated the Flame Lurker as, I think he was number 1 or number 2 out of the 10. And, you know, this is before I had played Demon Souls for PS3. In fact, I never have played Demon Souls PS3. But anyway, I just thought that was so funny. I'm like, wait, really? This one random boss? And I didn't know much about Demon Souls. At the time, I had played Dark Souls 2 and Dark Souls 3. So I was kind of curious about it. I'm like, well, I don't know much about Demon Souls or whatever, but apparently this Flame Lurker is incredibly, you know, powerful, right? Well, I think after you watch this video, because I beat the Flame Lurker on my first try. Very first try, very first time playing the game. And I was like, wait a minute. Now, technically, I did help another player as a Phantom, right? So you could call that cheating, because then I learned his attack patterns and all that, right? So I didn't, like, just walk in there without without a clue what I was going against, right? Whoa, guys, whoa. Whoa, ease up. In fact, let me boost my defense just in case. I don't want to take chances with you guys. Especially when I got my fans watching. My followers. I get performance anxiety. I'm like, I can't. I've never played this with people watching me. Who doesn't, right? I think we all get a little performance anxiety occasionally. You know, another item I have never been able to get, and forgive me because I'm not the best, is this item. Wait, where is it? There's supposed to be an item like right over there. I'm trying to point. Where's my point? Point down. There's only point down? Wow, you guys. Anyway, it's right. I don't usually use my gestures. Let's see. So yeah, right in front of me, I believe. I'm almost positive there was an item. Anyway. Maybe I'm just going senile. I don't know. So yeah, you go down here. You go down here. Right here. Oh no, it's that one. That's the item. Yeah, I don't know how to get to that. That guy right there. I'm gonna have to look it up because yeah, I'm like, so there's no way you can get it on this side, as far as I know. So what? You just gotta like run and jump. That's probably what it is, huh? It's probably one of those weird like you gotta run and jump things. And I'm just not aware of it. Let's see here. Go down. Now obviously this is one of the best places to have the cat ring, the kitty ring. Oh, did I miss it? Oh no, I didn't. Okay. Plague resistance. Again, another very useless item. There's one time in the game, one, that you really need it. And it's like, wow. It's such a short time in the game that you're like, oh, okay. So here we go. You can also get over here from the other side. The way I did, I just wanted to get that item to show you guys. There's a couple crystal lizards. No. Hey! You're not allowed to go anywhere. Got you both! Anyway. I don't do enough damage to kill them. As you see, I get them to 1 health. Alright, so Skiver the Wanderer. As you see here, if soul tendency is black, he'll show up as a black phantom here, and he is one of the toughest, by far, one of the toughest black phantoms on this game. Because, why? Because he uses magic! Because magic is awesome! But anyway, obviously, I was telling you earlier too about pure white world tendency, he'll show up as well. And he asks about the Dragon Bone Smasher sword, which you, again, you only get when you get to the Dragon God boss. But see this platform here? I could have went this way instead of where I went earlier. And if I landed on that top platform there, I could have just jumped over here. But I think there's just ladders now from where I am. And you get to a certain point when you only need ladders. Oh no, not yet. I still gotta drop down one more. And now I think it's all ladders. Ladder? No? No ladders? What? They're saying go down here. Do I trust? Yeah, okay. Can't always trust those messages, you know. Sometimes people set you up for failure. So yeah, I would not jump over there. Just continue on down this way. And yeah, that should be it. It's hard to get the camera at the right angle sometimes. let's see. So yeah, here's the ladder right here. Okay. So yeah, I could roll down there, or just go down the ladder. I'm gonna try to get that other item for you guys and see what it is. What is it? Right back up here. Yeah, that one right there. And then you gotta kind of like roll right here or fall. Oh, here we go. Just go this way. There you go. Hug the balls. And so yeah, if I go back up here and I just tumble down right here, this is where I was earlier. Remember when I was talking about, oh yeah, here's the boss. Yeah. So there'll be some worms. I think it's only 3 of them. I'm gonna... Whoops. Ah, what the hell. And then... Oh, there we go. Wow. 1 hit on that one. Okay. So I guess, yeah, you could come down here and then wander back, go in this direction, and then go up this ladder here, and then end up back at that entrance right there. So I guess technically, yeah, you can actually do a full circle from all the way down here back to the beginning of the game. Alright, so that's the boss. We'll go down here. I think the Hands of God, what they're called. So if you're into the fist weapons, that's what the Hands of God are. I think that's it. There's another item over down here. So yeah, besides that crystal lizard pit, I pretty much have shown you everything. At least you know where all the items are, right? Like I said, there's that one particular item. I can't figure out how to get it. Really apologize for that. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's it. Now, the Flame Lurker is actually not physical damage. He's purely magic. So this Water Veil spell works really well against him, as you will see. He's really cool. I think he's a very cool boss. There's our boy. And flame on. Anybody know the Human Torch? Fantastic Four? you see he just hit me, right? With this two-fist attack. Didn't do much. Just hit me again, right? Didn't do much. But my water veil falls, fails. I'm in trouble. Like right now. Awesome, he gave me a second there to recharge it. Man, he almost had me too. He almost had me. Alright guys, so there's 2 items. I'm just drenched in sweat. Look at that. It's just so intense. I mean, I do gotta say, he did get me nervous. Those last 10 seconds of the fight there, I was nervous because I thought, oh no, like my water veil just was gone and he was gonna nail me. I mean, he did nail me there. He nailed me on that one attack. And I was like, oh man, he's gonna kill me, he's gonna kill me. And then he backed off for just a second. Just long enough for me to use my water veil again. Alright, so first and foremost, when you get this Searing Demon Soul, you're going to want to take that to Blacksmith Ed. And in fact, you know what? Why not? I'll show you guys. So I don't have to go any bosses, right? So yeah, go here to the smithing ground. Ooh, and I got pure white wool tendency. Anyway, I don't have to worry about anybody invading me. Oh, hey, the crystal lizard I missed earlier. Jerk. Nice, 8 shards. That's really good. Because I think you need, oh, I can't remember. Is it 8 or 12 shards per level on your weapon? Just the normal shards. It's a lot more difficult to upgrade weapons on this game versus the other Souls games I found. Like, you need a lot of shards. Where on the older Souls games, it was what? You need 8 of the super small ones, or no, I think it was 12. So 12 in the beginning, right? Because you needed, I think it was what? 2, 4, and then 6, right? Yeah, 2, 4, and 6 in the beginning to go up to +3. And then the same thing, right? You need 2, 4, 6 of the next level, and then 2, 4, 6 of the final, and then, of course, the pure, or the slabs. They always use slabs. And, I'm sorry.
What be your need to be a blacksmith and show me your steel? If not, I'll head straight for the door.
Yeah, you stubborn, grumpus.
I'm busy. I'm not here to chit-chat. Forging a weapon strengthens it and alters its character.
Yeah.
Ores are transmogrified spirits. Their presence blesses the weapon. Demon souls. They're like powerful spirits. Some can even bless weapons. But doing so requires a powerful flame.
You mean like
Invigorated by a demon soul of scorching heat.
like a searing demon soul, maybe?
I told you I'm busy. Each ore is a grade. Mighty weapons can only be blessed by ores of high grade. The highest grade of all is a pure ore that shines in utter brilliance. A spirit force that delights the eyes.
Yeah, I'm trying to show it to you.
The highest grade.
Okay, maybe I gotta leave.
Don't waste my time.
Oh, don't waste my time is more like it. Alright.
Yes, that's the one. A searing demon soul.
Thank you.
With it I can forge new breeds of weapon. Bring me your most powerful souls.
Yeah.
wise choice. You've done well to put your trust in the great blacksmith, Ed. Bring me a gleaming sword, and I shall use it to bless your weapon.
Boss weapons! Alright, you guys. So that's it. Unfortunately, I didn't bring anything for him to make right now. So yeah, if you don't use the Searing Demon Soul to give to Blacksmith Ed and you just consume it, you'll never be able to make boss soul weapons for that playthrough. Of course, you'll just start the whole game over to do it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be bringing you more. See you later.